Hello everyone, I am Huma from Raval Convent School and today we will discuss all about conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. What do you mean by join? Join here means they connect two or more words or two or more sentences. How they connect? Let me give you example of that. Hari and Ram are brothers here. And is a connector between two words, Hari and Ram. And is thus joining these two words. Next, 2 and 2 makes 4 here. And is connecting words 2 and 2. And is thus joining these two words. Thus, and is a conjunction. Now, let's see how conjunction joins sentences. First, we will see sentence example without using conjunction and then with conjunctions. Ajay is a good batsman. Virat is a good batsman. Here, there are two separate sentences, both giving information about two batsmen and their quality. We can join them with and make one sentence. Ajay and Virat are good batsmen. You can see how two sentences converted into one sentence without affecting the meaning. Let's see one more example. The man is poor, the man is honest. Here, both sentences are covering man's quality. We can join them with the conjunction but, and the sentence will look like this. The man is poor but honest. Here, but made the sentence easy to read without change its meaning. So the main use of conjunction is to join either words, sentences or sometimes clauses. There are 7 conjunctions that you must remember. We will go through the sentences example of each and then I will give you a trick by which you will never forget that. So let's see the sentences first. I drank some water for I was thirsty. Here for is the conjunction which is used to convey the reason of my drinking water. See next one. He was tired and hungry. Here and is used to convey two feelings, tiredness and being hungry. See next. I can't whistle nor can I sing. Here nor is used to convey that I don't know how to whistle or how to sing. See next conjunction. Jay studied hard but he couldn't clear the exam. Here but is telling Jay studied hard who couldn't successfully clear the exam. Let's see the next into the example. Do you want tea or coffee? Here or is used to offer two choices. Either you have choice of drinking tea or you have the choice of drinking coffee. I ran fast yet I came last. Here yet is used to convey that even I ran fast I couldn't come at first position and settle at last only. I was hungry so I ate to food here. So is used to convey that I was hungry, I ate food. Now remember these conjunctions. What we will do, we will get the first alphabet of the conjunction with the conjunction which is used in the same sentence. F is used for, A is used for and, N is used for nor, B is used for, but, O is used for or, Y is used for yet, S is used for so. Now, if you read the first character of all this sentence, it becomes fun boys. So you just have to remember this word fun boy and you will remember all 7 very important conjunctions. That's all in this video. I hope this video help you in understanding topic conjunction. Thank you.